This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off notifications in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To turn off notifications in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is go down to your taskbar down here, and you want to click on the little magnifying glass. I'm going to click on the magnifying glass. Now in the search box up here, you want to type in settings. And then down here off to the right, you can see settings right here. I'm going to click on that. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, you want to make sure you're on the Systems tab off to the left here. Make sure you're on the Systems tab. Then in the center pane here, you want to go down to where it says Notifications here. Now I'm going to click on Notifications. And now it gives you many different options to turn off notifications. If you want to shut off notifications altogether, that would be this top box up here. As you can see, by default, notifications is on. You can shut that off. Or you could hit this drop down arrow right here. It'll give you some more options. If you have notifications on, you can choose which notifications you're going to receive by checking and unchecking these boxes. Another option you have is turning on Do Not Disturb. Notifications will be sent directly to Notification Center. The third option, turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. If you click on that, you can check this little box here during certain times, during these times. Like if you're working a job from 8 to 4 during the week or something, you could set the time here from whatever time until whatever time. And how often do you want it to repeat? There's a drop down here. Do you want it daily or on weekends or on weekdays? But those are your options on turning off Do Not Disturb. If you just want to shut it off altogether, like I said, this top box up here, just shut that off. That is how you turn off notifications in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.